Welcome to the second tutorial to Java Servlet. Let's continue to configuration our project. In this tutorial, we are gonna configure our some libraries and the Maven. First of all, our group ID must be our company name is the company name science engineering, and our project name science engineering tutorial, and let's add our dependency, and let's copy our first dependency is the mysql-connector, and the second one is Json.simple. We are gonna use these are the libraries in the following tutorials, and in IntelliJ this is not enough for the configure our libraries. You must add the global library and not global libraries. I'm sorry. You must add the AutoCAD lib and files and select all of them. Click apply and OK. Then we can check this. Let's create our first servlet as I want to name as the index servlet, and we don't have to set URL pattern. We are gonna do it in the following tutorials. For now, we can use just get servlet context and get request dispatcher. We are gonna render at the index.jsp file and the forward request and response. To check that we set up the Java mysql connector and the Json libraries, we can create some mysql objects. We can use the class.forName and the com mysql and gdbc.driver. If there is any error, then our try catch will catch the error, and let's create our JSON object. Is the object equals the name JSON object. Let's put the object that put name and Trump, and object that surname would be, what was the Trump surname? I don't know. Oh, Donald. And let's print our object. Let's run this program. And there is no error, so all of the configuration are true. So we can continue to create our JavaScript files This create a JavaScript file is the sinus engineering, and first of all we must add this at the footer, and our source is resources, JavaScript, and sinus engineering. Let's continue. Let's continue to access the data from the JavaScript. First of all, I want to split vertically to see to write our codes easier, and I want to set up the URL pattern to named as the index. So when I enter the index page, localhost 88 and index, then I can access this page, and let's create a new button here in the new divider class container, and input, which is that ID is test, and we will use test. Also I want to add on click, it is the get JSON, and there is the paragraph, which is that ID is demo, and there is I want to get the JSON. I want to call this get JSON function, so new function get JSON, and $.ajax, and I'm sorry, it's false, Ajax, and curly brackets at here. Our type is post, and URL is index, and let's add the success. It will be very simple. Success at the response object. Also I want to make it new D tag, which is that ID is the demo, and dollar, and our ID is the demo .html is equals that HTML response object. Yep, I think there is no fault, and I'm sorry I'm very slow because I'm learning new too, so it's not going to fast. There is a fault about the configuration. We must add the library folder in the web information, Then click apply and run this project. And also the input type must be type must be button. Then run again. As you can see, there is nothing because I forgot to write our post method. We must response.set content type text and plain, and response.getWriter write the object .toString, and we must cut and paste the JSON object at the post method, under the post method, and run again. And when we click the test button, then we get the surname Donald and name is Trump. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.